You guys remember my plate, right? Pretty cool, right? Let's try this. 2 slices of cheese, man. Makes all the difference. That's good. That's good. I got all these dirty dishes, man. What is Hoppy to do? Check this thing out, man. This is a portable, on-demand, tankless propane water heater. It heats water like instantly. You gotta do dishes in the woods? Hot water, man. You gotta take a shower after coming off the mountains? You gotta shower. Come with me, I'll show you. So it comes with a shower head. It says stop. Ah, it's getting sunny. Dude, I can feel it warming up, man. Today is gonna be a nice day. Gonna melt some snow. That river's raging pretty good. It's gonna get even bigger because all the snow melts. That's gonna be a monster soon. Has all kinds of adapters so that any hose will fit there. Like your garden hose, you can just screw it right in. Oh, it's got a little bracket too, so you can hang the hose and take a shower in the woods. Imagine that. So the LP gas line's already hooked up. It's got a little handle, so you can hang it. More gas equals more heat, and this more water pressure or less. I'd say it weighs as much as like a 6-pack of dank beers, man. Yeah, dude, that's light. We carry that into the woods all the time. Little windows, so you can see the flame. Here are all the fittings. Gas in, water out, and there's a drain plug, so that if you leave it outside, it won't freeze because it drained. So it comes with a bunch of O-rings and sheetrock anchors, so you can hang it on a wall. At home, I had this branch that had come down. I attached it to the tree using some paracord. And we're gonna hang the ThermoMate right here. I wanna mount the shower head. Oh, dude. You shower like right here, right next to a river, in 50 degrees. Imagine that, dude. This thing is awesome. You hook the shower to right here where it says water outlet. In addition to always having a knife on me, I always got pliers. You'd hook your water supply right there. So obviously I'm not at home, so I needed water pressure. So I went to Harbor Freight and I bought a pump. I found a pump that's 12 volt and can work off your car battery. So we plug this into the bus. I got water pressure. So we can plumb this directly into the river. Mountain snow runoff. This water's freezing. So to run the igniter, 2D batteries. Uno, dos. So this is why it's outdoor use only, because you don't want propane leaking in your house, or it is an open flame. So you can't have that inside. Turn it on. Put the suction in there. There's a car battery and the pump. Dude, everything's hooked up. All we gotta do is energize the pump. We're gonna have hot water. I gotta say, I've never been so excited to do dishes. Everything's hooked up, man. And since it's tankless, it's instant on. So as soon as I turn on the hose, see how it says stop? Instant hot water. I'm gonna collect some and we'll measure the temperature. It's fast. Are you ready? There it is, it lit off. You ready? Dude, it's already warm. Oh my God, it's already hot. So I'm gonna add the heat all the way up. Let's see what we get. Oh my God. It's almost too hot. You see the steam rising? As soon as you hit the stop button, it shuts off. The flame stops and everything. So let's check that water temp again. All right, so 37 in. Let's see what comes out. You can use this rocker switch to change settings. Did you see that? What did it say, 109? It brings it up 70 degrees. Don't forget the plate. And clean the plate. There's nobody around. I'm gonna take a quick rinse. Shield the children's eyes from this, all right? Turn away. Imagine this. Oh my God, this is amazing. Turn that water pressure up. Dude, this thing is almost perfect. It's only missing one thing. There you go. So the company ThermoMate, they said, hey Hoppy, we got something we think you can use in the woods, man. We got a portable, on-demand tankless propane water heater that we think you could use in the woods. And I said, wow, I never knew you could do that. I said, sure. So they sent me this and they said, try it out. And I said, all right. Well, you just saw what happened. I am blown away. This thing is so awesome. I didn't know, as humanity, we had come that far. I didn't know you could just provide hot water out in the woods without erecting all sorts of things. No, it's this portable water heater. This portable. This thing was amazing. I can't wait to come off a mountain and get a hot shower. Right now they're running a promo. Use the code Hoppy7 and you'll get 7% off your purchase. So ThermoMate also makes all kinds of propane heating solutions. They make portable heaters. They make permanent mounted water heaters that would be more permanent for use inside, and it's mounted outside. Dude, check out their website, thermomate.com. They got all kinds of stuff. I'm gonna link the promo below. Check it out. You'll definitely find some products you're gonna love, man. Speaking of love, I love this thing. This is a game changer. So I think I'm gonna wrap it up here, man. I gotta go over to Maine, dude. A buddy of mine needs help putting his dock in. I think that's code for drink beer. It's gonna be 80 degrees today, which is amazing in April in Maine. You might have seen some swag, man. You know, I told you it's coming. Right now I'm just field testing it, making sure it's durable enough so I can give it to you guys. But stay tuned, I got all kinds of things coming. I told you, right? Spring's coming. It's gonna be 80 today. Spring's coming. This is getting awesome. I'm super excited, man. Follow me on all the socials and do me a favor, would you? Just like the shirt says, give me them subbies. If you like it, subscribe, man. Smash that like button, comment. Let me know what you think, all right? I'll see you out there.